Just to give a little bit of background, we in primary care are very concerned about frailty as a growing issue, and also we're also managing clients with much more complex care needs. So we were aware that we needed actually to develop an integrated approach to care to provide a safe and quality service for these clients. So we were really delighted to be invited into the Rapid Improvement event, because it was a forum where we could start this discussion with our hospital colleagues around developing integrated care pathways to provide safe and quality services. We would now be a lot more familiar with our hospital colleagues. I certainly would. We've developed a pathway of communication between the acute and the primary care sector, which is really beneficial. So clients of concern that have been identified as being frail, the hospital can get onto us very quickly, and we can feed back to them very quickly information we would have about that client, so that can contribute to really good care planning for the client. It was broken down into segments, so the first bit was really talking about the problems as they exist, and the next was looking at the ideal, what we'd all like to see ideally, and the last bit was looking at the reality, what can we do in the here and now to start changes. And I think one of the things I most liked from the whole process was that we started off immediately from the get-go with small manageable little changes to start the ball rolling, and I think that was good, because it will hopefully from that the momentum will build, but it meant that it wasn't a talking shop. There was actually concrete results at the end to start working in a slightly different way to address the issues.